My second recommendation for August is digestive support. So we all know that the immune system is really based in the gut. So if your digestive system doesn't work well, then your immune system doesn't work well. One of the things I love to do with my patients is use the Weed and Feed protocol. I use a product like Gut Flora Complex, which is antibacterial to kill the bad bacteria in the gut. And then we repopulate with something like ProSymbiotic or a over-the-counter probiotic. And what that does is it kills the bad stuff and brings up the good stuff. Another great thing to try is taking foods out of your diet that you know are irritating. Some common culprits are wheat, dairy, and sugar. Try taking those out of your diet and see how that works for you. I hope these tips have been helpful for you. If you guys have more questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching.